Teeth are the only exposed bones in the body, and just as if a bone breaks, it'll heal, teeth can heal.
But did you know that skipping one simple habit could be the reason your teeth aren't healing themselves? Most of us think brushing and flossing are enough to keep our teeth healthy, but there's so much more to the story. In this video, we'll explore why teeth are designed to heal naturally and what you might be doing to block this incredible process. Plus, we'll share powerful foods that could transform your oral health. But before we dive into the list, let's take a closer look at how this natural healing process actually works.
Teeth are the only exposed bones in the body, and just as if a bone breaks, it'll heal, teeth can heal. Holistic Dental is a book written by Nadine Artemis. And Nadine Artemis, she presents some fascinating things. She looks pretty much at what I've looked at here, but she goes a little bit further with the teeth, which are the only exposed bone in our body, and they should not be deteriorating. And if they do have a little decay, they have the ability to heal themselves, as every other body tissue does. So why aren't they healing? Maybe they haven't been given the right times, or they have not been given the right conditions. And she calls these two superfluids. So what are your two superfluids? And these two superfluids are constantly bathing the teeth and nourishing the teeth. One is the internal.
This includes blood and lymph fluid. Your blood acts as a delivery system, bringing essential nutrients, oxygen, and white blood cells to the tissues surrounding your teeth. Meanwhile, lymph fluid acts like a natural cleanup crew, sweeping away waste and keeping the environment around your teeth clean and healthy.
And your external fluid is your saliva.
Your saliva is more powerful than you might think. It constantly bathes your teeth, providing them with minerals and nutrients while helping to wash away harmful bacteria and food particles. A healthy flow of saliva is critical to maintaining strong enamel and preventing decay. But how do we ensure these superfluids are at their best?
Their quality is totally dependent on fresh air, sunshine, not taking anything in that will harm it, going to bed early, exercising every day, having a nourishing diet, having food that has the quality, the ingredients to build a healthy body, drinking adequate water. If you don't drink adequate water, that saliva does not have the ability to bathe, soothe, nourish and heal. And also trust in divine power. Why trust in divine power? Trust in divine power takes into consideration stress, takes into consideration the spiritual, emotional and mental aspects of disease. Stress inhibits healing. Stress, worry, anxiety interrupts with all body processes, and I think that's not a surprise to anyone. So we need to be sure that our internal and external fluids are of the top quality to allow our teeth to heal.
In addition, what you eat can make or break your dental health. Certain foods not only prevent decay, but can actually help your teeth heal and strengthen naturally. So, what should you be adding to your plate for a brighter, healthier smile? Let's take a closer look at some of the top tooth-friendly foods and how they work their magic. Number 1. Cheese. Dr. Ellie Phillips, a dentist known for her natural approach to oral health, is a big fan of cheese, and for a good reason.
So, are there any foods that actually can heal your teeth? And the answer to that lies in some studies that were done, some in Denmark and some in other parts of the country, of Europe and also in England, where they actually gave small pieces of cheese to children before they went to school each morning. After breakfast, they had this little piece of cheese. There was one with Edam, there was one with cheddar cheese. And in these studies, it showed that cheese can actually help children prevent cavities. There were less cavities in the children who had this little tiny piece of cheese on the way to school.
Surprisingly, eating just a small piece of cheese can help prevent cavities. How does it work? Cheese releases vital minerals like calcium and phosphate that coat your teeth, aiding in remineralization. Plus, it stimulates saliva production, which naturally washes away harmful bacteria and helps maintain a healthy pH balance in your mouth. Number 2. Avocado. Avocados are packed with healthy fats and vitamins that nourish your teeth and gums. Unlike acidic fruits, avocados help maintain a balanced pH in your mouth, reducing the risk of enamel erosion. They're also rich in folate, which supports healthy cell growth, including the tissues in your mouth. Number 3. Strawberries and raspberries. Now, these juicy berries are more than just a sweet treat. They contain xylitol, a natural sugar that can help keep your mouth alkaline, reducing harmful bacteria. Eating strawberries and raspberries at the end of a meal can help balance acidity in your mouth, offering a natural and delicious way to support tooth health. Additionally, the natural malic acid in strawberries can help brighten your teeth, acting as a gentle, natural whitener. Number 4. Whole milk. Milk is rich in calcium and phosphorus, minerals that strengthen enamel. The natural fats in whole milk also form a protective layer on your teeth, which helps prevent decay. Plus, the calcium helps to maintain the pH balance in your mouth, keeping harmful acids in check. Number 5. Pineapple. This tropical fruit isn't just refreshing, it's also great for your teeth. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory and cleansing properties. It can help reduce plaque and promote gum health. For an extra boost, pair pineapple with a bit of yogurt. The yogurt's calcium and probiotics can further support healthy gums and boost calcium absorption, giving your teeth a double dose of healing goodness. While soft and nutrient-rich foods play a crucial role in healing and strengthening your teeth, the texture of your food matters too. Believe it or not, giving your teeth and jaw a good workout can make a big difference in your oral health. That's where crunchy foods come in. Not only do they help clean your teeth naturally, but they also promote a strong, healthy jaw, an essential foundation for maintaining good dental health. So, let's explore some of the best crunchy foods that can support both your teeth and jaw strength. Number 1. Apples.
One of the best things to eat is an apple. Your teeth and your mouth need crunchy things. So with a refined diet today, there's hardly any crunch, have you noticed? But apples require you to crunch, and when you crunch, that is strengthening the teeth, it is strengthening the jaws, it is strengthening the gums. No wonder the old saying says an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Number 2. Carrots.
Children love raw carrots, cucumbers, all of those crunchy foods. They're strengthening the gums, strengthening the teeth, and they are also strengthening the jaws.
Carrots are rich in vitamin A, which supports healthy enamel, and their crunchiness promotes strong gums and a robust jaw. Snacking on raw carrots can be a great alternative to sugary treats, keeping your mouth clean and your teeth strong. Number 3. Cucumbers. Now, cucumbers are more than just a refreshing salad ingredient. Their high water content helps clean your mouth and keep you hydrated, while the crunch works your jaw muscles. Cucumbers are also packed with vitamins and minerals that support gum health and freshen your breath naturally. Number 4. Celery. Often called nature's dental floss, celery offers a unique crunch that benefits your teeth and gums. When you chew celery, its fibrous strands act like a natural toothbrush, helping to remove food particles and bacteria. It also stimulates saliva production, which is one of your mouth's best defenses against cavities. By incorporating these tooth-friendly choices into your diet and understanding the importance of your body's natural fluids, you can support your dental health from the inside out. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on natural health and wellness. Also, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, And until next time, keep smiling and take care of those pearly whites.